Alright, so what's going on, guys? It's your man Crucial RC here. You know, other people call me Lance, whatever, you know. I'm used to it now. I hope you guys like that that little intro. That's a little bit of one of my vehicles. That's my 1980 Monte Carlo G body, baby. Nitro Freak did this vicious video, just dropped it. With that 70 Camaro, man, that thing was sick, dude. I've always wanted a split bumper. That junk's sick, man. I want to give a shout out to you, Nitro Freak. That junk vicious. Appreciate it for you know, letting everybody see that. And that Harley, man, that Softail, that thing was sick, man. I got a couple toys too, so I'm on the same thing. You know, cars, bikes, all that, man. I got all that. Dirt bikes, all that, man. So just saying what's up. Got a little video for you guys. A little something I dropped. Got some parts. Let me show you what's going on. All right, let me show you. Here we are, man. This is the 5T. Yep. In pieces. Here we are. So we can show you this. See if I can show this piece. Yep. This is the rear diff here. Now y'all remember hearing? There you go. There it is. Y'all remember I was having them problems at Scope when I was racing the TLR, the 8T, and I took the 5T out for a little bit quick bash, and the rear end didn't have any push. So this is it. This is the rear diff here. Look at this, man. Foams blew out again on the front. I'm done with this. Done with those. I guess I'll be waiting for my BRPs. And, I don't know if you can hear that, something's going on with the rear diff or something. Because my rear diff ain't doing nothing for me. Right? But this wasn't an issue. Right? I don't know if you can see, but the crown gear is a little, got a couple sharp edges on it. But that wasn't the issue. The real issue was this right here. So this is the pinion bearing. You can see that's all up in there, is all messed up. Done. I'm actually surprised the centerpiece ain't fall out, but the shields were intact still, but the balls and everything was all inside the see if I can find it. There you go. Look at that. All up inside, they all chewed up. So, you know how I do, right? I blew that joint apart, man. That's where we at with it, man. And let me show you guys what I got in store for this jump, man. All right? Yes. So here we are, baby. Full rebuild, man. We're gonna do a full rebuild. I already started busting some of these joints open, you know. But let me show you what we got here going on here. Now, our man Fifth Scale or Bust knows very well about this. All right, what's that? That's that RC Max, man. It's that diff. This is the rear diff here, rear diff housing. Beautiful piece of work. And I mean, I really ain't gotta say too much. He already said everything on his build, on his hybrid build. So this is part of the Pro-Am kit. Now you know I did the Pro-Am kit before with the Vector. The Vector is the Pro-Am kit. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead back over here. Go through the rest of these parts that we got for this whole build. All right, so bear with me, guys. I'm trying to put this stuff off to the side. New pinion. All right, and I think I got a couple of these notes. Let's see what we got here. All right, well, let's go and peek up these. We got the new pinion gear. This is gonna be that for that rear diff. The lightened. This is the. I think it's the rear. I think it's the rear one. Oh, it's the front diff gear. It's the light one. This is the one out of the TLR 5B. Fits in the 5T, no problems. Got a couple boots. All right. 5T boots. More boots. So these are the TLR ones off the 5B, and they work on the 5T also. These are the ones that fit right next to the wheels. All right. BRP compression plates, BRP extended wheel hubs. Here's the cage mount for the rear part of the 5T. This mounts to your rear shock tower. All right. BRP front hubs for the 5. All right, these are made by IRP. Always buy spare gears and shims, because you never know. Once you take that ALX 50 was getting it. So once you open that thing up and see what's going on inside there, you may need to replace this. Replace one of these gears or planetary gears or something like that. So always buy a set whenever I get ready to change my diffs out, because you never know. Ain't nothing worse than starting a project and you can't finish because you waiting on parts. So there's that part number there. And you gotta have your gaskets, and always, get the gaskets, get the rings, the O-rings, your little square parts on the edge. They got the pins in there, screws, all that good stuff. Like I said, you never know what's gonna happen. You open up that diff, man. That's the kit there. The Team Gonad's air filter. Oh, there it is, the other pinion. Another lighting pinion for the front. Here's your blocks. Hinge pin brace blocks, whatever you want to call it, come with the pills, little inserts. All right, these are the FLM drive cup set. All right, so this has the out drive cups for the front, rear, and center diffs. So all that's getting replaced on this thing. All right, so there's the part number for there. Get a good old DDM. All right, so here's the rear hinge pin brace. Here's the rear diff gear. Part number here. It's the lighting one off the TLR. We got the 5T 2.0 front bumper. You know what I mean? Got the LED grill, LED light on it up in the grill. Everything else should be the same for my 1.0 that I have. I guess I'll hook it up. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna hook it up yet, but we got this part. So here is the front diff. All right, I'm not even gonna open this one up yet, but this is the thing I like about these diffs, right? I don't know if you noticed, but there's screws in the top. So what you do is, when you take those screws out, this whole top half comes off. You know what I mean? All that comes off at the top, as opposed to trying to split it up from the front and back. So I like that. That's pretty cool. We got some 500K front and rear diff fluid. Gotta get your diff fluid, man. You gotta have this. This is the HLT 4000 WP steering servo. This is gonna be the steering servo for that joint, the 4000 Hercules. All right, now what else we got down in here? Now this is the creme de la creme right here. Let me back you out a little bit. There we go. Now this is the beautiful Pro-Am, you know what I mean? Pro-Am chassis. Give you a little peek of that jump. See if I can get this out with one hand. Now y'all have already seen this stuff, man, in my house, man. Y'all seen this on my cars, yo. Look at that joint. Woo, woo, woo. Man, fifth scale of bust. What you think about that, man? You know about that, right? That's that top notch, man. That's that upper echelon right there, man. You know, that's that top of the game right there. All right. Let's see if I can get this back in here. We got the RC Max upper plate for the bell crank. Got the front and rear center braces. Like I said, I think this has a product number on there. You can see it. Cup, RC Max, and like I said, you've seen this on. What else you seen this on? No, this came with the stock diff cups. And I think actually that's the TLR diff cup on there on the 5B. You've seen it on. Oh, that's what it was. The center diff on the 5T. You've seen it on that. All right. So we got one for the front, RC Max, one for the rear. Got the shock towers. This is the front. And this is the rear. Austin Max. Beautiful. This is some more part of the chassis. Front and rear. Nose plates. We got. I'm gonna try these things. These these tire stickers. We're gonna try this and see how it rocks with it. But I don't know. We're gonna try it though. We're gonna give it a good go. All right. So as you can see, I'm about to get deep into this build, man. Hold on for a second. So here we go. So here are the pieces that I'm keeping off of the stock 5T. Right, this is everything right here. So we keeping these pieces. Got everything cleaned up. Hit it with some simple green. Actually, you know what? I'm still waiting on the center bell crank from MOD. Waiting for that to get shipped out here. So like I said, I still got some more parts coming. I just want to give y'all a heads up of where I'm headed with this build. Like I said, everything's been cleaned off. Silicone spray. Just fresh. So that when we get ready to put these parts back on that Pro-Am kit, that chassis, we ain't looking stupid. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get these parts on here and just get this build going. And I just want to give y'all a heads up of where I'm headed with this joint. Like I said, the Pro-Am kit is vicious. Detroit Performance, shout outs to you for making that sick kit for the 5T, Vector. I kind of wish y'all did a Pro-Am kit for the Baja, but I don't know. Just something to think about. But I'm stoked. Every time I do a build, I really can't. I don't know. I just love builds. Taking the car apart, putting it back together, making that thing just better than what it was. Because you figure I was blowing tires off the bead locks with the ALX S50, and then I was now I'm blowing. I don't know if the diff's bad. We'll find out. I'm gonna open it up, but I don't know about if the diff's bad or if it's the just that pinion that was bad. But either way, like I said, when I replace something, when I do it right. You know what I mean? So just a little update where we at. In the Crucial Fam house. Got a little bit of project. Oh, reminds me, I got another let's see, I'm gonna call it a surprise update, whatever. I got something for the channel, so just put it that way. So something's coming, something's gonna be sick. Just let that be known, and just want to give y'all a heads up. I hope everybody out there staying safe, doing their thing. I'm loving the content. Like I said, man, that 70 Camaro Nitro Freak dude, that joint's sick, man. So keep showing more of that. I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, man, it's your boy Crucial RC. I'll holla at you, Out.